crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day, oh my gosh, 15 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And I'm trying to figure out where this month is going. I cannot believe, guys, can you believe 10 days we're going to be at Christmas? And I hope that you're ready, and I hope you have everything wrapped and under the tree. Or if you're like me and you're all of a sudden this year, I don't know why. I am typically so far ahead of the game, and I am not this year. So I am scrambling to try to get myself caught up. But whether we like it or not, 10 days from now is Christmas Day, and Santa will have been here. But today is day 15 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and we got a nice box. Now, the last time I opened a box, I got a coffee mug that made me subscribe to this year's box because I'd already had the three and I definitely had to have the fourth one. So let's see what Jenny and team gifted us in this box. All right, kind of interesting so far. Oh, it is a bunch of tools in that, right? For us to use. So I'll definitely have to go over and look at the channel today to see what all the things are. I know different pieces in here do different things, right? So you've got these in there, which are really awesome. I love all the different colors. I can't tell you how many of these. So these are thread holders, right? So as you're using your spools, you can wrap this around the spool to protect the loose threads in that. And then a couple of these, I am not actually sure. These actually pinch. So it'll be interesting to see how they are applying those, or if they're just using those as whatever. I can't think of the name right now. And these look like bobbins, I would think, to go around our bobbins to keep those threads from coming loose. And this one, I am at a complete loss. All of these are right, for page turners. These are thumb guards or whatever is what my guess is. So kind of cool, kind of different. I love the tin that these came in. Of course, everything's branded Missouri Star Quilt, but I like that there's such a variety in that in here. I use the clips sometimes versus pins. I don't like pinning. I try not to pin ever. But sometimes we have to. But if I can get by using the clips, I definitely use the clips over pinning. But this is kind of a cool gift. I will say it doesn't blow me out of the water like some of the other gifts have, but it's a very functional gift. It's a smart gift, and I do like the container. So it might be something that ends up, if not in the design studio in the quilt room, it could definitely end up maybe traveling with me even, because I do find that sometimes I've struggled to find things to kind of keep my clips in when I am doing workshops and that, and it only makes sense that I have those with me because you just never know where a project may take you. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here for just a little bit with me this morning. Hope you're having an amazing week. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.